friends, today's video I'll show how to create telegram bot, no coding knowledge required and single AI prompt and make telegram personal assistant bot, product selling bot and manage your group, manage your telegram ID, manage your client and automatically reply your members. So keep watching this video, I will guide you step by step.
First, you need to install Telegram on your mobile phone. If it is already installed, open the app and search for Botfather. Botfather is a Telegram tool that allows you to create bots. After starting Botfather, you need to click on the option to create a new bot and send the command. The bot will then ask you to provide a name for your Telegram bot. Once you send the name, it will ask for a username. After you send the username, the bot will provide you with a Telegram token which you need to collect. Next, you need to open Lovable AI. I have provided the link in the description box and create an account. Once the account is set up, you need to create a prompt for the bot based on your business idea or intended purpose. For instance, if it is for a business, you would craft a prompt reflecting that business concept. In my case, the bot is an assistant designed to reply to any questions from my members. I created a simple prompt for my assistant bot and sent it to Lovable AI. It immediately began building the bot, so I'll wait a while. You can use this AI to create any kind of bot, whether for selling products, for your business, or even for Telegram. Lovable AI is asking me about the features the bot will have. I review and approve them, and the bot suggests which ones are necessary for me. I select and approve the ones that suit my needs. AI started its work. I waited for a while, and after formulating a plan, it began building the bot. My bot setup is now nearing completion. I will copy the token for the bot I created via Telegram's Botfather, paste it here and submit it. My bot is now ready, so I'm heading over to Telegram to check it out. First, I'll click the Start button and ask a few questions. As you can see, the bot is working perfectly. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm asking questions like, how are you? How to make pancakes? And how to make a cake? And it's providing accurate replies to everything, including the questions I asked in Bengali. I hope you liked the video.